Car Center.
Someone tried to steal a car. Thieves, they don't tend to be the smartest bunch. Happens sometimes. All right, so price of $200. Tried to steal it.
How's your day been so far, man?
It's
pretty nice outside.
been pretty nice day. Still working on the whole car situation. But you know. Detective Porter came to see me today.
Hey,
Hey.
Detective Porter.
Oh.
Yeah, you know.
Got a call?
I am thankful the detective showed up, although it was 2 days since it happened. So that was a little annoying.
Everything okay?
Yeah, the stolen car. We had somebody tried to steal a 200.
You know what time this was?
Overnight. It's we have some camera footage. We'll let you look at the cameras a little bit later.
You did get the footage? All right,
Yeah,
great.
so we have him. He kind of tried to back out of space. Well, he was between two cars, so he tried to back out, kind of go forward, back, and he ended up driving.
I don't know who in his right mind would try to steal a car in the rain at 2 in the morning.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Hit any other vehicles?
No. He did a pretty good job. He got a little bit of damage on the 200 though, and
Good damage to 200.
yeah, and
Marietta Car Center.
Yeah, because see, what happens is they're already in the loan for that vehicle, and the remainder of that loan is either going to be forgiven or it's going to be added on to the back end of the new loan. So we don't want them to be in like a huge loan trying to trade them in.
Okay, makes sense. I'll let her know.
no, he went through. Seems like a lot of trouble not to hit anything really.
Any witnesses?
No one on camera. I don't know. It was overnight. It was like 1 or 2 in the morning.
Yeah. Well, we've had a few cases. I know last week we had 2 cases, kind of the same thing. I've been searching for this guy for about 3 weeks now. I think it's probably the same guy.
Okay, Miss Brown. So usually it would take up to about 1.5 years to be able to trade your car in. And aside from the website, I want to say we have 2 other cars. So yeah, it would be best to just, come here and check everything out if anything ever caught your eye.
Want to go look at the Honda Pilot before we come over here to the cars, or you want to stay over here? Got a little tent on it though, so I mean. Got your mind made up? You don't even want to look at the Camry?
Let's go look at the camera.
Okay, let's go look at the Camry.
Le tengo que pedir permiso al cantante, el cantante ya se murió. Lo demandaron porque no es porque estaba cogiendo los actores. Yeah, he gets sued from Facebook, but not because he was good in singing.
But without witnesses. But you said you had some footage.
Yeah,
So
you
we're
can't.
gonna
It's
check that out.
it's a little grainy. You can't really tell. He was wearing a hood, and it's dark, and he's like, I can't really tell. He looked like an average dude.
Could you tell his race?
I'm not trying to reinforce any stereotypes or anything, but
He looked kind of light skinned, but I can't tell. Like, if he's like white or, I don't know.
I think he may have been a smart.
Dark skin. I can see.
Of course,
Like,
you're not going to know his height.
No, he's like average. He wasn't like really fat or anything. He's just like a regular dude. I don't know.
Tis what it is.
No, I got you.
Yeah.
Sorry for the questions. What about time? Does the camera give the time?
Yeah. There's a time stamp on it. I know it was like at 2 in the morning or something like that. He was out there for like 45 minutes.
He was very adamant. Like, really persistent.
Like he literally, he was in the car. He back and forth, and then he got out, tried to look where he was going, and got back in, back and forth. Finally got it out, and then he went over to the corner of the lot, and then he stopped, and he looked around where he should go, and then he went to the ditch.
It was pretty funny.
it seemed like he took a long time to not know where to go.
I'm about to say, these clowns, I'll tell you what, they work so hard for nothing, man. You know, it takes effort to be stupid, you know. I'm sorry.
It was, I don't know, it didn't make any sense to me.
Well, could you show me the footage?
Yeah, come on, I'll show you mine. Walk over.
What are you looking for? Oh, so you're getting the car ready for when she comes here?
Yeah, no. My client that I was talking about, she's here.
Oh, she is here.
Yeah, Tavia.
Uh-oh.
But yeah, you meet a lot of angry people, a lot of old ladies on the bus.
Did that make it hard? Okay. All right, let's go. I'm going to go run inside, grab the keys to the Dodge, and then go ahead and send you on your way on a test drive. Okay. Now, for your down payment, do you have the cash and do you have any cash or money order?
Ooh, I should get money order.
All right, I'm in the shop. I'll take a couple. Oh, what a hustle. The car plate.
He did keep getting calls on his walkie-talkie, which is, I guess not his fault, but you can turn it down, right? You're on a call, I guess, but I don't know. I'm not a cop. Who knows?
Right here. Yeah, so he came from the office over there. We're about to head over there, but he came from over here between the two cars, went right into the corner over there, right where we have the tow truck there, trying to pull it out. So, yeah.
Oh, give me a second. Yeah, I'm on 83. Yeah. Yeah, 63. Sorry about that.
I wasn't trying to be nosy, but something crazy was going down. Could tell that.
No worries. But so I'm just showing you where it was, and then I'll take you to the office. So we pulled up the car. It was right here. So it was between these two, and yeah, and it was like right here. He went back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and he finally pulled it out. And then he went and he stopped and he was like looking around, trying to figure out where to go. And I thought maybe go over the curb or something. I don't, because we blocked this part with the car, so we kind of blocked the whole lot.
See, you didn't have a really path.
Right, so we blocked the lot, and there's not really a way to get the car out of here, which is the point. So he went right over there, over the hump, and into the ditch.
And of course, you took off, I guess.
Yeah. So and then he just like got out and just kind of walked away.
I'm just surprised he walked away. Like, honestly, he was here for 45 minutes. I'm just surprised he just like said, oh, well, just walked away, like gave up. It was a little weird.
And a cop actually passed by while he was in the car too. He was while he was still over here, a cop passed by. You can see him on the camera in the car. Yeah.
It's probably one of our guys.
I mean, you know how that goes.
It's late. It's just
Yeah, like no.
the guy in a hoodie. I mean, you know.
Yeah, and
it wasn't reported.
Right.
In time.
I mean, we didn't have any alarms go off or anything, but he didn't do it. Like he didn't. Like he sat here for 45 minutes trying to get that one car out. I don't know how he got it, by the way. I don't know if he had a key or something, because we keep the keys locked up and no one was in there.
Yeah.
No one broke in or anything, so I don't know. I don't know what he did. I don't know how he did it, but
Well, thank God for insurance, man.
yeah, they got it taken care of.
There you go.
We called people and whatnot, so.
Well, I've got all I need. I just
But yeah, let me
see that footage.
Yeah, let me take it off.
Me and Detective, we did share a good little laugh watching the video.
Now he's on his lunch break.
It's the Marietta Car Center.